Hello guys, thank you for coming back. Today we are going to make our application more secure for private information. If we see this mongoose part, this has password which doesn't have to be exposed to other. So in this situation, if we send this up to GitHub and share this code with others, what will happen, do you think? Other people can use our MongoDB maliciously. So to prevent this, we will make one file and then we will store all of our private information in there. To do that, first we will make config folder at the root of directory, config, and inside that folder we will make three files. One is called dev.js development, and another one is called keys.js, and the last one is prod.js, stands for production mode. The reason why we make three further is when we develop our application in localhost, we will use just the development mode. But if we do deploy our application with Heroku or any other third-party deployment, it will be production mode instead of development mode. So we need to differentiate for two different situations. So first, to differentiate that, go to keys.js file, and then we need to type this: if process.env.node.env production mode module exports require product file, and else module that export require development file. This means if our application is in the production mode, we will export production file module, and if not, export development file module. So now we go to development file to configure something in there. We need to type module exports. So we need to put some private information in here later, and we also need to go to production.js file, and even in here we also need to do the same thing, module and export like this. So first with cell, we are gonna put all the private information in here. So where do we have our private information now? So if we have to index.js, actually we have this one in here. So we will move this one into developer.js in here. But if we just put in here, it won't work well. So first we will have some variable in here. We will need to name this Mongo URI, and then we need to do like this, and we also need to go to production.js, and in here Mongo URI process.env and mongo.uri. So we will use this one when we deploy our application with Heroku later, so you don't need to think about what this is now. I'm gonna explain this later again. So first go back to development.js. So now that we moved MongoDB connection string into development.js file. So we need to bring this back to index.js to let MongoDB work in this application. So first we need to bring this keys file in index.js. Config require config. The reason why we need to bring the keys instead of the development or production file, because if we bring this one, like when we are in production mode, if we bring the production, and if we are not in production mode, we will bring the development file. So that's why we can just bring the keys file into index.js. So by using this config, we will bring this one. So we can just type config this one, and then we need to delete this one now, and then in here mongo.url in here. So now we finish moving all of the private information into secure part. So now I want to try whether this works really well or not. So I want to trigger the server here after saving all of the file. So so trigger the server, we need to type npm run backend. So there is no error coming from the MongoDB. That means, yeah, we are connected to MongoDB really well. So the last thing we need to do is we need to put this development.js file into git ignore, because development.js file have all the private information like this, so we don't need to send this to the GitHub. So that's why we need to put this into here. So after saving this, we are trying to and we are secure the server. Now we are gonna set all the code into GitHub by typing git add and then git commit move private information into .js, and we also need to type git pushing origin master. So now we want to see this dev.js wasn't sent to GitHub. So to see that, we go to GitHub page. And we will see config. So there is no this dev.js one. So it works really well. And thank you for watching this video, and have a nice day, and see you.